Hello, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's having a good day. I am a freelance trumpet player, and since the lockdown, it's already more than a year has passed. Large gatherings are not yet allowed. Actually, this is a collaboration, and since these lockdowns and COVID times, I shifted my focus to YouTubing, and I consider Mr. Beast my mentor. He inspired me, he had me interested in doing YouTube. So during these times I was thinking, okay, what am I going to do with regards to my profession? So while our CDs are not that big a production, it's not even in stores. It's like we only sell them when we have gigs and they can buy. But during these times, nada. With that in mind, and of course for those less fortunate people who are also uploading our music here in YouTube, and they're already monetizing. Well, anyway, for the other thing, I also give to the mission and charity. My meager income, I still could spare a little bit of amount to give. That mission is focused on the homeless and old. And most of them are sick. So that's the place that I usually give. But not that big, because there, so I give to them. However, during these COVID times, without gatherings, without any gigs or engagements with the band, but in spite, I give them during these lockdowns. Once only once. From March, I think it was sometime November that I went there, gave something. And now we move on. As you see, this is Mr. Beast here, and this is Mark Rober. Once again, they have collaborated to get rid of 30 million pounds of trash from our oceans and our seas. Let us all join in with this campaign to get rid of our seas and oceans of trash. Together, hand in hand, we make our world a better and clean place to live. Remember, we did not inherit this from our ancestors. We are only borrowing this from our children. So, together with my family, we support this campaign and drive. Let us all do our thing and take out 30 million pounds of trash from our seas and oceans. Together, through our little ways and means, we can do this. Let us support their endeavors by subscribing to their channel. We get them to 200 million subscribers. Subscribe to Mr. Beast and Mark Rober. Thank you very much for watching.